Today we'll be covering installing your 3582 host and satellite vendors. First step in the process is to open both vendors. Keys are located in the coin cup return and in the front door. After you open the machine, please remove any other packing material and the shipping bracket below the second shelf. Each machine has the same shipping bracket. First step is to ensure that the harnesses involved in setup have been installed. Harness number 4222367 is the Y harness that will go from the control board to the rear of the host. And harness number 4218775 is the umbilical between host and satellite. Step 2 is to remove the control board cover. Screw located in the upper right-hand corner. Remove it. Lift up and pull out on the cover. Step 3 is to locate the motor connections at J1 and J5. Unplug both of these connectors. Locate harness 4222367. Remove the cable tie. And locate the Y harness end of the cable. There's a male and a female harness for each motor connector. The male harnesses will plug into the control board. The females to the original motor connections. Please tuck that along the side. We'll need some cable ties to install the harness along the door up into the channel. Cut off the excess of the cable ties. Step 4, locate the harness and power connection assembly at the rear of the machine. There is already a pre-existing harness in the rear of the machine. Do not use this. It's for a completely different application. We'll now plug this harness connector into the knockout. At this time, we will need to go to the rear of the machine. At the rear of the machines, locate the cover plates. Loosen the 4 screws to secure the plate. Lift and remove the plate. Locate harness number 4218775 and install the umbilical between the two machines. The harnesses are keyed, so they will only connect in one direction. Locate the power cord for each machine. And install in the rear outlet. We are now ready to go back to the front of the units. Please reinstall the rear covers and secure the screws. You may now put the control board cover back in place. Locate the power switch, turn each machine to the on position. This brings us to programming of the machine. Locate the service mode button through the opening in the control board cover. Press the button one time, you will hear a beep. On the outside of the machine, please press 2 to receive a new motor count. You may count the selections so that it balances against the motor count on the display. If your motor count balances, please press 5, which brings us to pricing. Press 1, which is by item, so you can price item 10. Shows you $50 at the present time. If you need to change it, press 100, which would change the price to $1. Press pound, and we'll bring you to the next selection. You may also price by rows. So row 1 will be the first 3 trays in the host vendor. If you were to change the price from $1, press 75 pound, and all of those selections will be changed to 75 cents. If all the prices in your machine are the same price, you may press 3 and change the price of every selection in the machine. Remembering pound saves and star returns to the sales. By pressing star, you will return to the motor count. Then we can test vend any selection in the machine by pressing 8 and the selection number. You may now place the machine in its permanent position.